What's going on, you guys? What does the term financial freedom mean to you? Financial freedom to me is having enough passive or residual income coming in every single month to pay for all of your monthly living expenses and or your desired lifestyle. What would financial freedom mean to you? You would no longer have to wake up every single day and go to a job that you may or may not enjoy and trade your time for money. What if you could wake up every single day and chase something that you're truly passionate about because money is an afterthought? Now that you're financially free, you can choose how you want to spend your time with who you want, when you want, and how you want. I'm here to tell you that the fastest path to financial freedom is by investing in short-term vacation rental properties, or more commonly known as Airbnb properties. My wife and I achieved financial freedom 12 months after making our first ever investment in an Airbnb property. And a matter of fact, one of those properties that we invested in produced enough cash flow to set us financially free by itself. So when I tell you investing in short-term vacation rentals is the fast path to financial freedom, I'm telling you this from experience. If it can happen for us, it can happen for any of you guys watching this. It can be extremely nerve-wracking to invest your hard-earned money into something like an Airbnb property. I've spent the last several years building up the knowledge, the relationships, and creating all sorts of automation tools to make this a hands-off business to where we can operate multiple properties and not have to pay a property manager a significant portion of the revenue that our properties generate. So finally, I decided to package all of these different tools and all the knowledge gained over the years and curate it to you guys in an easy-to-consume course format. Airbnb Investor Academy is a one-stop shop for all things that you'll need to learn about Airbnb investing and about real estate investing in general. Whether you are brand new to real estate or if you're an experienced investor but you just don't know how to get started in the short-term rental world and how to operate on sites like Airbnb or VRBO, this course is for you. For those that take this course, you're going to walk away primed and ready to begin your investing journey in Airbnb properties. And I am willing to bet that you guys can all achieve financial freedom far faster than you could have ever thought possible. My name is Michael Elefante, and welcome to Airbnb Investor Academy.